对啊，嗨，大家，我们再次出现了啊。那这一次的题目是这样，大概在20年前，屯门公路有一项拓宽工程，因为它现有的车道非常繁忙，所以它没有办法去做封闭车道这件事情。但是我们必须要工程师做嘛，那工程方就在旁边现有斜坡上开了一个临时道路，做一个舒缓的动作。但是呢，不幸的是有一颗巨大石头从这个斜坡上掉落。它砸到一台货车，造成1名司机死亡。那因此，这个工程因此停工，暂停道路封闭1个礼拜。那这时候就有些争议了，是否有可能在不封闭车道的情况之下，进行这项工程？那专家组是认定不可能。我们想听听梁律师的看法。麻烦律师跟我们说。
好，this is a very major event in the history of Hong Kong. When they want to widen this very busy Tuen Mun Road, which connect West Kowloon to West New Territory. And because of the busy traffic, it is not possible to close any road for the widening. So what they have to do is just the adjacent major slope has to be cut away and create a traffic lane. A new traffic lane. But during that time, at quite a late stage in the contract, a big boulder fell from the slope and down into the westbound Tuen Mun Road and killing one driver of a van. And then of course, there was a suspension because of safety reason, suspension of the work. And there has been an argument, a dispute about whether it would be possible to carry out this road widening work without closing any lane in the existing Tuen Mun Road. And this dispute is raised to a very high level. And then it was determined by an expert panel. The expert said that because of the overriding safety reasons, the existing Tuen Mun Road, without closing any lane in Tuen Mun Road, it may not be possible to widen, to carry out the project. So therefore, it is necessary for the engineer to make a variation order to close one lane in Tuen Mun Road and install the safety precautions before the work is going to be carried out. So this is the situation.
好，我们进行下一题啊。那有一个900毫米污水管铺设的合约当中，工程施作当中发现了一条300毫米的供水管，因此我们工程就延误了。那为了让供水管能够改道，那我们工程势必要延期。那工程师为了要解决这个问题，要正确解决这个问题，因此产生了这个时效的问题。那承包商是否可以得到延期的这个合约的权利？还有一个问题就是，当这个发现供水管之后所延伸出来的费用，是否可以退还给承包商？还要麻烦这个梁律师帮我们做解答。
In the sewer laying contract, they discover a water main which is not shown on the drawing, and therefore the contractor has not priced for that. In such case, in our conditions of contract, they call provision number 50. There is a subclause which states that if there are any obstructions or circumstances on site which may affect the progress of work, the contractor is entitled to claim an extension of time, and the subclause which is appropriate to this kind of situation is then subclause which describe it as a very special circumstance. So the engineer can award the extension of time based on this subclause. as regard the prolongation costs because of the progress of work is affected, and any associated costs in connection with the water main, that is a more complicated question. Usually, the clause number 50 for granting extension of time, just grant the time only. For the cost, you have to claim under another clause you can find. So this will be a more complicated question, and in such a case, the contractor has a choice to study the contract document and say if there are some part of negligence by the engineer, then the contractor may be able to claim the cost as well. So this actually depends. Because utilities are usually a matter between the contractor and utility company. But if you find that there under the contract there are some negligence by the engineer or the employer, then the contractor may be able to recover the cost. All right.
好，要谢谢梁律师为我们做的解答哦。那有任何的疑问，欢迎大家在留言区跟大家讨论，我们也会亲自跟大家做说明后续的动作。谢谢这一次的观赏，那就这一期就这样，谢谢大家，拜拜。